So for the next student learning community in STEAM Lab, we will be looking at Native American quilt design in order to inspire us to create a 3D piece using Tinkercad. So here are some designs that we can look at and see how you see symmetry in the design. You see a lot of geometric shapes, like I can see a lot of triangles here. You see the use of negative and positive space in order to create the design. We will not be able to use color to help us create the design because these will print only in one color, but we can use the technique of shapes and positive and negative space to help us inspire us in our design. So you'll be using Tinkercad in order to create your piece, and you can we'll add a little part at the top so that you can add string to make it into a keychain or a necklace or an ornament. So let's look at some other designs that I have here. There's one that I did. So here's another one that I did using kind of like I think I used maybe a tree to create. Yeah, I did. So you could see before the holes popped on there that I actually used the tree to create this kind of starburst or sunburst effect right here. That was created by using a tree and shoving it through my design and creating a hole. And then I chose to use snowflakes too. You could definitely see the line of symmetry here. Like if I folded this piece in half, the sides would match. Of course, my initials wouldn't match up, but the design would match up. So these take about an hour or more per piece, and we're going to be printing about 50 pieces. So it's going to take a while. You only get to print one. You can design as many as you want, but you have to decide on only one for printing purposes. And we're going to talk about scale to make sure that, it's not size too big so we don't waste our filament, the plastic that we put in the printer. So we'll talk a lot about that too. And if you finish early, you can create more 3D designs. We're going to also explore circuits, code blocks, and SimLab in the program called Tinkercad. I hope you enjoy this activity if you choose to be a part of the STEAM Lab for the next student learning community.